Welcome to Yvette Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you prepare your ackee for cooking. Alright, so this is our ackee. So what you're going to do is just remove them from the pot. Right? Then we're going to take this seed, this right off. And we're going to clean from the inside, so you can just use your hands and take it from the middle, right? And see, we have a clean ackee pad. So this is how we prepare our ackee for cooking. Alright, and always make sure before you pick the ackee from the tree, it's open like this. Alright, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.